Hi, good morning. It's Roger from Poseidon Boat. Now I'm at Subic Bay in Philippines. This is our 12-meter landing craft boat, and it's been successfully delivered and been in operation for a few months. So this time I visit the dealer and would like to make a walk-around video for this boat. Follow me. So we have a very heavy-duty wrap. You can see the bottom of the boat, and also designed with rubber fender on the front of the wrap. So this makes sure it's quite good when you're landing on the beach. Also, the top of the wrap is more higher. Then we have the rubber fender on the side of the boat. This heavy-duty winch. This is a winch for the wrap. This ankle winch for the front. And you can see we have designed with flybridge, separate wheelhouse. And this on the side of the boat. The boat is being powered by twin Suzuki 350 horsepower twin 30-inch leg. From here you can see the design of the ladder to the top of the boat. So you can see from here it's climbing to the wheelhouse. Firstly, you can see we have the very good loading space on the boat. So it's quite good for loading our car, loading a lot of cargoes on board. This is a wheelhouse, and you can walk around of the wheelhouse to just make sure it's use all the space. And we have the fuel tank and also storage compartment. Portable lounge on each side of the boat. The storage for the rope. A clear picture for the Long Star winch with a wrap. This is for the diving ladder. On the side of the boat is being put on the EVA floor. So it makes it very clean. So we have the toilet room and the sink. This is the compartment for the fuel tank. You can see it's being glued, and we have this handle for pickup. Another video to see the side door. Then we will be walk around to the top of the boat. Now we have on the second decker inside of the wheelhouse. So it's being very clean, always the EVA floor with all the screens, the hydraulic steering, and controllers. All the gauges are always Simrad electronics, joystick, VHF, the engines, the fan, and the switch control panel. So you have a very good reference for the layout. Inside of the boat have two dumping base captain seat. So this is quite good for driving the boat. Then we have on the back with a lounge for 2 or 3 people there. This is a vision for the front deck. We see a lot of space there, and very good for the captain driving the boat. So it's a quite practical boat. We've been sold few units to different countries, and this boat is shipping on the Ro-Ro vessel. The dimension is 12 meter on the length and 4 meter on the wide. The loading capacity is maximum to be 10 tons. good for the car loading, for the general cargoes, for the passengers. It's a very multi-purpose boat. It's a great boat for the Pacific Island, the Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. We can also provide the customized inside of the boat to make sure it meets all your requirements. So if you have any question, please contact Roger, and we can work together to support your business. So that's all about the walk-around introduction of this 12-meter landing craft boat. So I'll see you next time. Bye for now.